What is your name?
I'm Scarlett.
And what are we doing today?
Painting.
Yeah. Scarlett's going to be painting. How old are you, Scarlett?
I'm 3.
You're 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have an 8x10 canvas, right?
Yeah.
And what color do you want to start with, white or black?
Black.
Black. Okay, before we get started, let's go ahead and sign it.
I want to do it.
You are going to do it. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. And Mommy's going to write your name too.
Is it right? Like that?
Yep. And it is 2018. There we go. Okay. That way we know. Now flip it over. Now we need to gesso the canvas. Let's leave it out here. Okay.
Okay.
So we just have some, seal it up so I don't dump it everywhere, golden black gesso. Remember how to do this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just do it like that.
Yep. Mommy gonna stick and stir it real quick.
I want not one stick. I want that one.
I know you want to paint with a brush. I know. Mommy just has to make sure that it's
I want to
mixed
get
well.
I'm going to put it in there.
Here, why don't we use this brush?
Okay.
Okay.
In here.
Yep. Mommy's just gonna put this on here so we don't waste it. Okay.
Okay.
Now paint your whole canvas, please. Since you're right-handed, Mommy's gonna move this over here. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Right here.
All right. Mommy's gonna go through and just double check it. Here, you wipe your fingers off.
Okay.
Mommy's gonna just double check your canvas, okay? Okay.
Okay.
So there's a cup.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's move your painting off to the side over here.
Okay.
I'll move your phone and paint. Let's move it right here. Okay. All right. So since we're starting with black, do you want to put black in first or white? You want to start with white since we already have black on here? Okay. Let me shake it. I'm going to let you put it in.
Okay.
There you go. Put it in the cup, in the bottom of the cup. Here, let Mommy check it because it may be clogged. There we go.
You fixed it?
Yep, I fixed it.
Oh, thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. All right, let's put this back on it. Give it one more shake. There you go. Now don't squeeze hard. It'll come out fast, okay?
Just do it slow.
Yep, do it nice and slow. Oops. How about I hold the cup for you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's probably good. Okay, now what other color you want to do?
Some purple.
Purple. Do you want to do it from the cup or from the bottle?
From bottle.
Okay, hold on. And make sure this one's not. Nope, this one's good.
That one's good, okay.
Mm-hmm. Remember, do it slow to start with. Here. Do it from the side like this. Oh, okay. That's a lot of purple.
Okay.
All right. Now what color?
That
Pink.
Pink? Yeah.
Almost out of this one. Okay. Oh, let me hold the cup. Okay.
And that
Which one?
That one.
You want antique copper or the other pink?
That.
Antique copper.
Yeah. I like that very color.
Is this your favorite color?
Yeah.
All right. All right, that's probably good. We gotta have room to do layers
And
of color.
that.
You want ballet pink now?
Yeah, I like that color. And I did this one for.
There we go. Okay. Now what?
And that one. What's that called?
Sapphire.
Oh, that's fire.
Yep, sapphire.
Oh, I like
It's kind
that.
of a sparkly blue.
I like that one.
Oops. Almost out of that one, huh? There we go. All right. There we go. That's good. Whoop. Okay. Let's save a little
Okay.
in case you want to layer some more in. Okay. Then what other colors? There's yellow
Black.
here. There's
Yellow.
black, and then this is a different color of blue.
Black.
Black.
Yeah,
Okay.
I like black.
Let me check it. Make sure it's not. Nope. It's good.
Wait.
Yep.
Okay.
Is that good? Okay.
And
Do you want the other blue or the yellow?
that one.
This blue?
No, that one.
That's black also.
I want the black.
We already have black. Do you want white? We don't have white.
No.
You want white now? And then we could do yellow?
Yeah.
Woo. Okay.
Oh, that's a bunch of white.
That is a bunch of white. All right. Now yellow, you want mommy to help you pour it?
No, you let me do it.
Okay, well I'm just going to hold the stick off to the side, okay? Is that good?
Yeah.
There. Why don't we do more pink on top since that's one of your favorite colors?
That
This
one?
is a different color of pink. You haven't used that
Yeah.
pink yet. Here, mommy's going to help you again with this, okay?
Okay.
You pour, but is that it?
Yeah.
Do you want a different color?
That one.
More?
Yeah.
Okay. You like to cover the other colors, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do.
And I think that's probably enough. What other color do you want right on the bottom? Do you want more purple in there? Because you got purple all the way at the other end, but not at this side.
That one.
This purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like that purple.
Okay. Here. It's the same purple, but I just mixed up extra. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that one.
Oh, you need a little bit of that one because we used the container, but not this one?
No.
Okay.
This one.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that one.
Oh, you need more of this blue?
Yeah.
I don't know that we did this blue. Okay.
It's like a get that color. Oh, wait.
All right.
And that's
No, those are old, and I don't know if they're going to be good, so I don't want to use them today because I don't want to mess up your painting, okay?
okay.
All right. So now what I want you to do is dip this in and stir it a little. Just a little, okay? Dip it all the way to the bottom. Give it a couple of good stirs. Okay. Here, give it to mommy. Wipe your fingers off. Gotta move this in. And then mommy's gonna dump a little bit of black paint right in the center to get it to start flowing, okay?
Okay.
Well, that's good.
Let me use that, please.
Yes, you're gonna use that. You're gonna dump it on here wherever you want, okay? I just want to get a little bit of flow paint on here for you.
Okay.
Make it a little easier for you. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, pour it on. Pour it wherever you want. Go all over the canvas. You're getting too close to the edge. Go over here some. Move it around the canvas. Yeah. Here, hold on. Mommy didn't get a canvas ready. Hold on 1 second. Let me get a canvas ready real quick.
Okay. Let me do it.
Hold on. Trying to get a little tiny canvas ready
Okay.
for the runoff of your paint.
Let me take it in.
Hold on. We're going to let that set for a second so that those cells will come up, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let me get something to put this on. Whoops. That didn't work. Let's move it out of the way a little. Flip it the other way. Let's see if we can make that work. There we go. Let your cup drain out onto that. How's that sound? Okay, let me hit this with the heat gun real quick. Make sure there are no air bubbles, okay? Ooh, look at all those air bubbles pop. Yeah, it's hot now. Okay. Are you ready? Do you want to tip it or you want mommy to tip it? You tip it? Alright, let's tip it to this direction first. Nice and slow. Alright. Now let's come back to the middle a little. Okay, now lift this corner here. Go that way. Nope, 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 nope. Let's go this way first.
My fingers.
Yeah, get your thumb out of it so your thumb doesn't get it. Paper. Let's go that way with it. Okay?
Let me wipe it.
Okay. Hold on. Here, you need to wipe your finger off. Here, wipe your finger off. Let's go back this way. Okay? Hold on, we're going to tip it this way. Hold on, this way. Lift this hand up over here. Go a little fast.
And this way.
Hold on. Let's get this corner down here.
Now it's going my
Hold on.
finger.
Alright, hold on.
Hi.
Let's go back. You always have such pretty colors. I know, it's drip. Don't touch the drips. Remember, they make pretty jewelry. We're not ready for that part yet. Hold on.
Okay.
Alright, let's go back to the middle.
Okay.
Now let's go to this corner. Hold on.
You're doing it?
Mm-hmm.
Put your feet.
Okay, let's go back to the center. Stop, stop, stop. Stop. You can do that afterward. You gotta wait till the end to do that part, remember?
Can you strip it?
Yep.
What? Let me rub it on me, please.
If you want to rub it on you, go ahead. Mommy's just stretching your paint for you. Alright. Do you think we need to do it more one direction or the other?
The other.
Which way?
This.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay.
It comes deep.
Okay, you're just making mud. Please just wipe your hands off. Tell me when to stop. Stop. Okay, please stop with the making the paint. She's making mud. She's just rubbing her hands in it. All right, is that where you want it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, wipe your hands off, please. Give me your hands, please. Don't touch your painting. All right, time for cleanup. Then, while she's doing that, I will move her painting off to the side. Oops. And then we'll take a look at what we got underneath here. Ooh, that's really cool. That's really cool. This is really hard to do with little tiny canvases. I don't know if you can see that. And we're gonna go this way with it. There we go. I like that. Not sure if you can see it in focus or
Hi,
not.
bag.
Yeah.
Hi, bag.
But we're gonna move this to the other room for drying.